In today's video, we will explore some vocabulary. Whether you are preparing for an exam or improving your language skill, these new words will help you. Without any delay, let's start our video. Grieving. The synonyms of grieving is sadness. Pertaining. The meaning of the word pertaining is concern. Breached. Synonym of breached is offend. Dreary. The synonym of dreary is cheerless. Bastion. The synonym of bastion is defense force. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.